Alright, ma'am, so we're back our packaging. So she's going to prepare authentic Ghana local sweet bag, the one that you fried with an oil. Okay, so ma'am, patron, my brother, they have a sweet bag.
Baking powder, margarine, and a pineapple flavor, and a raw nutmeg, soda, and the situation is some.
Okay, and then when it comes to this recipe, I will say you use soft flour. I know say back when I previously you still had one. It's already a soft flour for the sweet bag. Yeah, so that is what we have here. So as you can see, she said previously, this is the ingredients. We have baking powder right here. We have salt. We have oil. We have some margarine on this side. We have pineapple flavor for the sweet bag. We have nutmeg. We have baking soda, and we have some sugar. Okay, so guys, this is what we're going to make today. So let's get started. All right, guys. So now we have our flour right here, and ma'am, pacho flour. How many cups?
4 cups. 4 cups.
Okay, so guys, we have 4 cups of flour. So now she's going to add everything. So let's pay attention and let's see what she's doing. So ma'am, pacho, wait me. I'll go ahead now. Watch the way you see it.
So
but you so much journey So guys, she's adding the nutmeg. She's using 1 cube of nutmeg, the whole cube. And then she's gonna add baking powder. But you say teaspoon. Okay. So this is about teaspoon of baking powder. We need baking soda. Okay. So guys, she's using baking soda also. So about a half teaspoon of baking soda, and let me see, I'm mixing it in a boom. Come on. Okay. Then she's gonna add the margarine. This is a local Ghana margarine, Papa B, and in the crime fake. Very nice one. Margarine. Alright guys. Okay. So guys, right now she's done with the flour. It's already mixed with the butter and everything. So now she's going to show you how to mix the sugar and the salt together with water. We used to have an answer with me.
We have from Mejebi.
Okay. So she's adding about 1 teaspoon of salt and a half cup of sugar. And then she is going to add half cup of water. And then she's going to add the flavor, the pineapple flavor. And then we the kids who are in the goon. They're strong, you know.
No, they pan.
Now she's going to mix everything. Begin to know oil inside.
I said, and she, I could baby.
Oh, no. So guys, she's using about 2 cups of water with this recipe. I was saying a mix it pan. I say okay.
Do you want some information?
So in this one too, we don't have to cover or anything. We just mix it and then fry it right away.
Yes.
Okay. Wow.
Jadi nak kasi ni.
Aku sini ya kan. Lu sitting na just or sitting normal one. Wow, the oil looks really hot. Wow. And it's smelling so good, guys. You can smell the flavor from the pineapple and then the nutmeg. Wow. So it still have to fry it more. Alright guys, so we are finally done with the sweet bath. So right now we have it right here, and I'm gonna have my mom's Messy to take one and break it for us to see how it look inside. Mom pacho betimi e ba kon boom ade ahwe camera am yahwe. Area is it here. Wow. Very good. It looks like so delicious. I'm going to taste one of these, the one that she has already. And guys, look at how fluffy, look at how crunchy, look at how soft the inside looks. This is how you want your sweet bath to look, you know what I mean? This is authentic fried Ghana sweet bath. I'm gonna come on. Guys, this is so good. I'm going to pack some with me on my way back to the US. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. As you can see, I'm still eating and talking to you at the same time because it tastes really delicious. So I hope you should try this recipe and let us know how yours turned out. And if you have any comment or question, please feel free and let us know. Okay, so enjoy and try this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and subscribe. It's man there was said on nearby the boy Adrian to say we come up ahead the young people show now. Alright guys, bye.